So today we're doing a collaborative demo between Xsens with their full body inertial system and the Faceware real-time Faceware Live software that does real-time facial motion capture from just a video. So we have our head-mounted Pro HD headcam system on the actor combined with the Xsens inertial suit, and we're streaming data directly into Motion Builder. It takes about 5 minutes to set up. We got up and running really quickly, and we're streaming data directly into Motion Builder.
We're showing off, this is our Pro HD wireless system feeding into Live Server. Live Server is our application that's going to do the real-time tracking and sending it into Motion Builder where it can be combined with the body data from Xsens. This system is designed for production and post-production, so covering all the bases you're going to need. The kit comes with different size helmets, different lengths of bars, different lenses. The video that comes out is an HD SDI signal. We try to make this thing simple and easy to adapt into many of the pipelines you already have on how you capture video. We've got a partnership with Teradek, and we're wirelessly streaming the video off the actor over to these receiving units where you can put anywhere on the stage, in your volume, in a VO booth, in a motion capture area, on a sound stage, anywhere you're working, we can stream the video wirelessly. And from there, it goes out and we take it in two directions. One, if you want to record the video using a KeyPro or any of the popular ProRes recorders out there, keep the video where you can do a post-production pass of traditional tracking and animation where you can refine it, artistically change the work. The second is where we take that video stream and feed it into a computer in real time. So this is where we can get the live animation. Most modern computers these days have the USB 3 or the Thunderbolt port, or use a capture card on a tower PC, and they easily handle the bandwidth coming in from full HD video in real time. And to talk more about the software, I'm going to hand it over to Jay.
Faceware is a company specializing in facial motion capture. So we have many different products. We have offline processing for high quality facial animation. But what we're showing today is called Faceware Live. It's a real-time video-based motion capture, facial motion capture software. It's totally markerless, as you can see. All we need is a video of this gentleman's face, and we can take it in real time, and in this case, go right into Motion Builder. This software also goes into Unreal Engine, goes into Unity, we go into Maya. There's many amazing things we can do with this data. You can also record the video and post-process it later for your higher quality animation. The philosophy behind Faceware Live is it needs to be simple, it needs to be easy. You know, when you're on a motion capture stage and you've got work to do and you've got things that need to get done, you can't be spending hours sitting there calibrating things and you know, putting dots on the face and things like that. So we really wanted something that was easy enough that you could walk in, hit a button to calibrate it, and go. We have a one-button calibration, which is literally you put the camera on, he looks right at the camera, I hit the button, and he's calibrated. And this is going to run all day long if we wanted it to. Our booth is a few rows over. To set all this up, we walked over, Chris and I, we hooked up the system, put the camera on, we were up and running in literally 2 minutes. Streaming into Motion Builder is also that easy. You drag in a device. In this case, we're actually streaming from this computer across a local network to this other machine so that we can have a machine here dedicated to processing the images. It is pretty CPU intensive, especially if you're using full HD video. This one's running at 60 frames per second, so that's a lot of data to process. So, you know, we like to have a dedicated machine here, but we can easily pass the data across the network into Motion Builder. But we drag in a device, put in the IP address, and hit go, and it's working. So, and that's really the way it was designed to work. To get you up and running as quickly as possible and to keep you up and running all day so that you could maximize the amount of time you're actually recording data and seeing your animation.
You can actually go to our website, facewaretech.com, and get fully featured trial versions of all of our software. It lasts for 30 days. You can try everything. Today we showed Faceware Live, but we also have Faceware Analyzer and Retargeter softwares that you could try out. Today our demonstration had the head-mounted camera unit, but you actually don't need the hardware to do your own test. You could just use a webcam. You could use even a cell phone camera or a DSLR on a tripod, anything like that to try it out and see for yourself.